Hello everyone! Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can remove custom sticker from your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. In order to find and remove custom stickers, you can open an app where you can write messages, like Messenger, and select some conversation in order to find them. Now near the line where we enter messages, we click on the plus sign and see what we have here. The word stickers, we click on it. And now you and I can see the different stickers that our iPhone provides us. Here we have stickers that we use frequently, and we have our custom stickers that we may have made in advance from our gallery. Stickers that we also now use, emoji, and so on. So, when you go to the custom stickers section, as you can see, I have some here that I use. In order to delete them, you just have to click and hold on them. So, as you can see, at the top of the sticker, there's this choice of what you can do with them. You can drag them, so you can swap them, you can change them, and you can delete them. And if you, for example, you just want to swap stickers so that you have, let's say, the ones you use a lot at the top, then you click here. Now you can swap your stickers freely. So that's how it works. Also, as you can see, there's a minus above them. And if you want to remove that sticker, then you just click on that minus. And now the sticker will be removed. And another option is how you can remove your custom sticker. This is also the same thing. And you'll see that there's a word delete. Click delete. And just like that, the sticker is instantly deleted. This is the way you can delete your custom stickers from iPhone. I hope this video has helped you. Be sure to put your likes, write your comments, and please subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.